Hello friends, my name is Devrup Sharma and I welcome you to your favorite show, Sex, a unique formula, the only unique formula to a happy life. Friends, whenever we have questions regarding anything in our life, we ask our friends, we ask our relatives, but when it comes to our sex life, we always keep quiet. We hide those questions. So that is why we have come up with this special show with our expert, Dr. Vijay Daiphale, who would answer all these questions in the most scientific manner. Before we head to meet our expert, let's look at a little bit about him.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, if you are staying in Colaba or if any of the town area, there's a good news for you that sir has opened his brand new clinic in Colaba. So if at all you have any questions or any problems, you can get that solution right from the expert. So let's meet the expert, the man of the hour, Dr. Vijay Daiphale sir. Sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
So today we keep getting a lot of emails. You keep getting a lot of emails. Plus there are feedbacks and there are Facebook comments and everything. And in that we chose the topic by public demand, that is different types, different shapes of breasts. So the first question is, what are the day nappers breasts, sir?
Yes, definitely. In this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are shaping different shapes of the breast. We have seen different shapes of the penises. We have seen the different shapes of the vagina. Now we are going to see the different shapes of the breast. Why we are going to see these shapes? Why we should have a scientific information? It's very important because there are so many confusions, so many doubts. When partners are coming to my clinic, they come with, sir, she is having such an unequal breast, she is having abnormal breast, and they start quarreling with each other. But friends, I will tell you only one thing, why this session we are taking, because there are 27 types of breasts, day nappers breast. Before telling all this information, I want to give one disclaimer. All this scientific information is given and you have to utilize this information with your known and own partner. Time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consenting. This is the most important frame under which we are looking all this scientific information. Day nappers. What is by napping? It is small nap, means you are taking a sleep, small sleep. Especially there are different type of chest. Some are narrow chest one, few are having broad chest. In such a cases, few partners have a breast which are very much elevated. They are very much close to the chin. And as they are close to the chin, what happens, that prominence give the area for resting the chin. And how it makes the advantage, what are any other names and qualities, definitely we will see one by one.
So we are wanting to know the other names of the day napper breasts.
A portable pillow. But now we are discussing this for the purpose of knowledge, because they should present it to me and I should present these partners. It is not abnormal. It is chin resters, like just if they are making the chin down, immediately they are getting the support, like a portable pillows and like you can soft cushions. So friends, just leave a part of fun away, but only these cases are normal with a very good cleavage. And if suppose partner have any doubt, definitely you take the opinion of sexologist, urologist and andrologist, and required modification definitely we can do as per your choice, as per your interest.
So Rocky from Malabar Hill wants to connect with us. So Rocky, we have your question.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, if partners areola are large, there any treatment available?
Yes, excellent. Now we will go to anatomy. On which base this classification is done? The base of the breast, whether it is wide or narrow. Then projection of the breast, it is downwards or upwards. Then shape of the areola and then shape of the nipple. In short, I will tell you what is areola. The pointing tip of nipple, when it goes down, there is a circular pigment area that is called as areola. For your information, it is the most sensitive part of the breast which is utilized for moving the fingers, for the purpose of kissing and for the purpose of stimulation and for the purpose of foreplay also. Ideally, it should be not more than 1 centimeter of a circle surrounding the nipple. But sometimes in few cases the area is very big, like a half of the breast is looking pigmented and black. Then partner comes in with doubts to me, sir, this is totally abnormal, this type of pattern we have not seen. So I am getting a doubt why this has happened, anything by any other way it is handled or what thing is there. No, don't take such type of doubts in mind. This is a normal variation, such a round wide areola. With the help of areolar reduction, with the proper cosmetic surgery, we can give a very best shape and they can definitely enjoy their normal sexual and personal life.
So a lot of people have a close focus about things,
definitely,
and that's why they have the
definitely.
problems.
And this
of
conception
understanding.
should go away.
Correct, correct. And that is why we are heading to the next
Sure,
name,
sure.
that is the close set breasts.
Yes, correct. You are taking these different shapes to me close set. Means what? Even the chest is broad, the both breasts are so much close to each other. You can see in the figures, there is no gap, there is a big cleft over there. Even if there is an empty area laterally, why this happens? Developmentally, the mammary line which goes in what direction, and that direction decides your distance of the breast. And such a set, it may be higher, it may be lower, but which are close to each other are called as a close set breasts.
So sir, are these close set breasts open for other names?
Definitely. Where is my necklace? Means in that small space, when you wear any ornaments, it goes inside of it and hides out. So that is other name. Second thing, a very daylight saver. Means there is no need of light because they are always in dark that area. Again, second thing, in closet, constant a cleft one. Means naturally that cleft is created, and when they are wearing the garments, so many times it is very much helpful that they give a deep clefts. So friends, only what is the reason behind this? They should not feel it abnormal. That is also a normal part. And by any mean, they want to separate it, they want to make it, because it's a personal choice. If both are comfortable, no problem. And if you are uncomfortable, definitely meet sexologist, urologist and urologist, solve this problem in your mind and understand what is normal and what is abnormal without quarreling with each other.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I think people have come to know that you have opened your
Sure,
clinic in
sure.
Colaba, and that's
Yeah.
why a lot of people from the town area are
Yeah.
calling. We have a call from Wildkesh where Kavya
Yeah.
wants to connect with us. Kavya, we can have your question.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Whether during menses breast size increases and pains, whether any treatment available?
Yes. Excellent question. Natural variation. When puberty comes, these all kids become very panic. They are developing breast, they are getting some prominences, they are getting secretions. These are secondary sexual characters. Menses. Menses, pregnancy and deliveries. These are the normal physiological changes which are occurring in the female partner. During menses, what happens? Changes of estrogen and progesterone level. Due to that, there occur tenderness in the tail part of the breast. It is painful. And for this, what we have to, this is a temporary. If after menses it goes down, well and good, acceptable. But in few cases, there is a fibroadenosis, means that all mammary glands at the tail get some pain, swelling. In such a cases, what the treatment? Visit to the specialist, do the mammography to rule out any other adenosis or any type of malignant changes, and plain painkillers, some warming and some type of antibiotics. Definitely they will give the relief. If suppose they don't get a relief, again they have to go to the experts.
So now, sir, we are heading
Yeah.
towards the last set of breasts,
Sure.
that is the itty bitty breasts.
Yes.
Itty bitty
Correct.
breasts.
That itty bitty itself suggests that itty bitty means they are smaller one. The smaller breasts are itty bitty breasts, means due to some reason, some genetic history, some mammary line problems, the bulk of the breast is not developed and just some small areola and some small elevation is seen, and such a small breasts are called as a itty bitty breast, but These are also taken as a normal, and if you require any change, we can do it with the cosmetic surgery.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
And these are normal. That's what you said. That's the best
Definitely.
part of
Yes,
it.
correct.
And a lot of people have an idea that this is not normal.
Yeah.
There's
And
something
they go
wrong.
in confusion. That should not happen.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. So, sir, are these itty bitty breasts having other names as well?
Yes. Where is my bra? But take a jokes apart.
Yes.
In such a case, what happens? It's difficult to wear because they have to add a padding,
Correct.
because they have to have a proper shape. Again, bye-bye breasts. As if they feel just seeing it and making it bye-bye. So they are like that way. Second thing again, in such a breast, they are laterally separated, smaller one. Sometimes some other, their friends, those who are very proud with their larger breasts, they can say them, just it's a hidden breast. But friends, don't get panic with all these things. Nature has created you very nicely, given solutions also very nicely. If required, if partner wants, you can give fat injections, and there are very nice types of breast implants, which are silicone implant, which don't complicate by any mean, which doesn't create any problem at the time of sexual activity. They don't cause any problem in foreplay also, and they don't cause any problem during pregnancy, lactation, and breastfeeding also. The only one thing I will tell you, friends, first get a normal. What is normal? Then we can compare abnormal. So don't create our own herd problems from others and consider as abnormal. Take a normal information and enjoy your personal life without any problem. And that is the purpose of this series.
Correct, sir. So
Yeah.
no need to feel any inferior
Yes,
if
correct.
you have big
That is most
breasts or
important.
small breasts,
Yeah.
or apart or upward
Yes.
or downward facing breasts.
Sure.
That's amazing information,
Yeah.
sir. We've come to our last question. So
Definitely.
thank you very much
Yeah.
for joining us today.
Yeah.
Friends, we will be seeing you again in the show. And before we go, I would like to remind you that sir has opened this brand new clinic in Colaba. So if you're anywhere near town area, make sure that you go and visit him and get your answers by the expert. Thank you so much for joining with us. We'll be seeing you back again at the same show. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.